Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm making roses. Yes guys, I decided to make my own roses from scratch with the printer piece of paper. Basically it's an A4 paper, and all I did is measuring 20 by 20 with a tape or ruler, and from there I folded the corners, created a triangle shape, and I folded 3 times. From there I created a template, and that's what you see me doing. I already made the first petals, and I just went to grab whatever amount piece of paper that I want to create my roses. So you definitely want 4 to have like a full rose, and yes, that's what I'm doing here. Just watch. It's not step by step, but just hang out with me, and you can try out yourself. There's plenty of videos showing how people do or make roses, but I think it's quite innovative, and I really enjoyed making beautiful roses by myself. In my local corner shop, they were selling 1 petal, 1 rose for £3, and I made my own, and I'm very happy about that. They turn out beautiful, if I can say so myself. Okay, carry on watching. Please smash that like button, subscribe and share. Guys, after making my first roses, I have to say I caught the bug, and I'll be making boxes of roses and practicing them, and gifting to my friends, and eventually selling them. I really had so much fun doing this project, but I have to say it was not easy because it's my first time. But let me know if you like what you see so far. Okay guys. Guys, I'm here trying to draw some scribbles and cut into the shape of an ice cream. You can design the way you want your roses petals to be, and I'm just doing like a little zigzag, a little curves, and making sure it looks quite decent, it looks quite realistic, and that's what I did there. So here I am cutting my first petal. So you have to start off with the 1, then in each a rose shape you have to, now I'm going to cut 2 and 3 and 4 and so on, and it depends how you want it. So that's how you do, and later on you're going to be gluing each one of them individually to create like a the actual rose shape. Let's carry on watching, and so far let me know what you think of the video, and yes, subscribe and share also. Guys, you can make beautiful roses to decorate events, weddings, christening, any type of events. For me, I decided to go with red because I want to do a table scape in terms of decorating for Valentine's. Make sure you subscribe. I'll be making a video about how I'm gonna dress my table for Valentine's Day. Yes guys, I'm very excited about that, and I want you to come back and watch me doing that. So the reason why I decided to go with the red roses is because of Valentine's, basically. The roses that I made, they turn out so beautiful. I hope you see every step and make your own. You can make blue roses, pink roses, any color you wish. Here you see I had some challenges in terms of, as you can see, I'm using white paper. How the hell am I gonna transform this into red? Okay, so let's have a look and see what we can do with this white paper. I'm gluing the petal one by one. That is what you see now. The roses are coming to life. I'm trying to obviously curve and curl the ends so that creates that realistic shape to the petals as well. And it's quite challenging because it's a piece of paper, so you have to be very careful not to rip it off. And I used the glue. This glue is very sort of a wet glue. Definitely I then moved on to use the hot glue gun, because I find that it took 24 hours for the glue to dry. But nevertheless, my roses start looking fabulous. Do you agree, guys? Guys, I'm here creating a box. Basically, it's a shoe box. I decided to paint black. I've got something in mind that I want for my living room's decoration. So I went ahead and I decided to paint with acrylic paint, but later on moved on to the spray paint, Rosolian spray paint, because the acrylic paint in the box was just too sloppy. I didn't like it at all, and it was much easier for me to really just spray it. But I have to say, the fact that I first of all had paint with acrylic in a brush, it kind of sort of helped to just spray. Once I went to spray with the black paint, it adhered very well with not much problems. So that's what I'm doing here. Guys, this is for me, it's not for anyone, and I want to practice. I see so many beautiful rose boxes, people selling for £60 to 100 and something, obviously with the preserved roses. Some people are doing with the different type of roses as well. It equally looks beautiful, but I want to create something myself for myself, and that's very rewarding for me. Yes, guys, so that's that, and I'm here still gluing more roses together, and to get the amount that I require. My loves, I just want to take the time to thank you guys, especially my new subscribers and my OGs. Yes, I love you guys to the moon and back. Thank you so much. We're going to have a lot of fun. We are decorating, we are cooking, we are doing making a lot of home improvement. And if you are here for the fragrances, guys, yes, we're going to continue talk about fragrance as well. Please make sure you share these videos so you help my channel to grow. I'm on a road for 1,000 subscribers. It's getting there, but not quite, but it's getting there. Thank you so much to you guys, and I hope you are enjoying this video and you go ahead and create your own beautiful roses. Guys, I'm using a ribbon. It was a tie, but I decided to make like a bow around the box to give more of that luxe feel to the roses. That's what you want. You want a beautiful box roses that looks like high end. Okay, guys? So loves, I'm using some pin, those sewing pins that the dressmakers use, just to secure my bow in the box. And I'm here dancing. I was listening to Drake basically, but it is a shame that we cannot play for you guys. So yes, I'm just trying to place my bow in the right position and pinning that down so it doesn't move. Later on I'm going to use some rhinestones, some bling bling to give that luxe look that we are going for. Yes guys, if you haven't subscribed, like I said, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. My box is looking fantastic. I haven't painted the bottom bit, but that can be done later on. I'm going to spray some red in my reinforcement here so the box feels a bit full, so my roses doesn't sort of sinking down. That's what I did after spraying the roses. Initially I was painting them with acrylic paint and a brush, and it was a nightmare. It took like an hour to do one rose, and the best way was to spray paint them. I'm trying the placement of my roses to see how I want them. If I need to make more of the ones I made so far are enough for what I'm going for. I have to say, I think I done really well. I made 4 only, and it fitted just perfectly the way I wanted, because I made them quite large. So yes guys, let me know what you think, and don't forget to smash the like button. I'm so excited. I can't believe I made these beautiful roses myself. How stunning are they?